Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make an organizer, something like this, which you can keep it on your table to keep your stationery items. In fact, you can keep some books also in it. This is made with small carton boxes. These carton boxes are of health drinks. You can also use cereal boxes. So anything similar to this, how can we use this and make an organizer? So let's start. So today I'm going to make an organizer with different sized cardboards. Here I have used 2 cartons of the same size. I have another one here which is made with 3 boxes of the same size. These are health drink boxes. So now let's make one of different size. I'm going to make a bigger one and a smaller one beside it. So first we need to cut it. How to cut? From this corner we need to cut it till here. I'm going to make a line here. Same way like this. Then from here a straight line. Then again from this point till here. I'll cut this off now. I have cut this and removed. Same way I have cut for the bigger one also. I'm going to attach it here so that we have a big container and a small container on the side. You can stick it with a glue. For better sticking you can use glue gun also, or you can staple it. So for now I'll put one stapler pin here. I'm going to cover this with handmade paper. So I'm taking yellow first. I'll start sticking from here. So apply glue here. And stick this. You can also staple it. Just to make sure that it does not come off. Same way, make a fold here and stick on this side too. So I'll apply glue and stick it, and keep it down and stick this properly. I'll also staple it here. Again, make a fold, stick on this side. If you don't have handmade paper, you can also use regular craft paper to stick on it. Like this, I'll cover the whole container. If you want, you can cover both the containers separately if they are of different sizes, and then stick them together, or else you can do them together like this. Then I'll cut off this extra. I'll staple it here and cut off this extra. You can see how much is extra from this side. And cut it off. So I'll cut it here straight and then cut off this part and also this extra part. Now this side is covered. I'll use this extra paper and cover this part too. I have covered the bigger container with yellow. I am covering the smaller container with golden color paper. So keep on it and check how much do we need and then cut off the extra and stick it properly. Whatever extra part we have here, we can cut it off or just make a slit here and fold it inwards. You can just fold it inwards like this. Because this is a thin paper, we can fold it inwards. Thick paper is difficult to fold it inwards and stick. So I'll staple it here. This bottom part also, I'll just fold it like this and stick it. After covering it with paper, you can do some decoration. Now I have some golden lace. I'm going to stick the lace on it. So let's apply some glue first. On these edges, I'm going to stick a lace. You can also stick satin ribbon or glitter tips if you don't have lace like this. We can also staple it, but make sure you don't hurt your fingers whenever you are using the organizer. It takes a little while for sticking with glue. That's why I am stapling it now. Or if you have a glue gun, you can stick it easily with a glue gun. You can also have some other decorations, like I have crepe paper here, so I'm going to make simple flower with the crepe paper. I'll fold it in half and I'll cut fringes here. So for cutting fringes, I'll fold it multiple times and cut it like this for making the fringed flowers. So after cutting, just roll it. So I'll make one flower and stick it here. And another French flower. Here. Decoration is up to you. You can do decoration with anything that you have. Just make sure that you stick it properly. It takes a little while to stick. This is the organizer with simple carton boxes that we have at home.